How to delete Bitget account. In order to do it, open your Bitget exchange and here on the home page, tap on this square icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now over here, if you tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner, you will be landed in the preferences page where the last option is of hide account. So you can restrict people from searching for or following you. So if you want to hide your account, you can do that before deleting your account. But if you are certain that you want to delete your account, then you need to come back to this page and tap on your profile icon in the top. Now once you are in your user center, you will be able to see the second last option of close account. So you need to simply tap on it and it will show you all of the repercussions that you need to bear after deleting your account. So if you are certain of deleting your account, then tap on the confirm option and then tap on the close account option. After that, it may ask you to provide the reason of your cancellation. So you can select the reason and then you just have to simply confirm your closure of your account. Now, once you do this, your account will be deleted permanently. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.